Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe, and today's video is going to be my first track day with the Dundon race headers and exhaust, the crack pipe. And what makes this track day so special is the fact that there was not only myself, but Kevin in the green 3RS that you're about to see, who also has the race headers and crack pipe. He's got a lot more goodies on his car too. It's gorgeous, but that was probably in the top 3 track experiences I've ever had. It was just insane. It just, with this exhaust setup, it adds so much drama to every lap and every session. And then when you get 2 of them next to each other, it's like being wired. It's like being on like 5 bangs. You just downed them and you're trying to, you know, go out there and track. It's like that. It was wild. So I hope you guys enjoy the audio. This is a Rode mic, Video Go microphone. I bought the dead cat, so it'll be here tomorrow, but this video doesn't have the dead cat. But thankfully, Streets of Willow, you don't really hit too high of a speed. I think we hit 137 down the straight. I was hitting 137. And at those higher speeds, definitely the wind noise was affecting the microphone. But all the spots where you'd want to hear the microphone definitely, or where you'd want to hear the audio, are definitely in this video. So hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, I'll catch you guys at the end of this video and give my closing thoughts and opinions on this setup. Alright guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Lots of good sounds, lots of good action right there. Trying to close that gap on Kevin. I was able to run a 118.9 in my third session without a passenger. That was my first session without a passenger, and it was actually the hottest session of the day. So I'm pretty positive I can get into the low 17s if I run with no passenger at the beginning of the day. But we'll see. Don't really go to streets too often. Streets, the last time I was there was actually with the F80, probably a month ago now. So, and then before that was months before that with the GT3, and before that was probably like a year. So that's not a track that I hit very often, but it's nice to go out there and test my technique. That track is very technical and requires some good skill. It doesn't mask driver error or the lack of driver skill, so it makes it fun, and it's a really good track to learn on as well. So yeah, the exhaust system itself, pretty much amazing on track. Amazing. Never heard anything like it on track. It adds so much to the experience of being on track. Like I said, it's like an adrenaline rush the entire time, and you can't beat that. The F80 doesn't come close to the GT3 right now, not even close. I don't know what car would, other than another GT3 or an RS. You got the McLarens, which I'm sure I've seen them on track. They're insanely fast, but nothing beats that sound, other than maybe an SVJ Aventador. So you're talking about a really elite group of cars that not too many people in the world get to ever drive, let alone drive on a track with a Dundon crack pipe and race headers. So I'm extremely thankful for that, for being able to experience that, and yeah, just blessed, honestly. It makes me think about how blessed I am, really. So it's kind of weird talking about how blessed I am when I'm talking about an exhaust system on a car, but honestly, like, fuck, man, like I'm telling you guys, this is something completely different than I've ever experienced. So yeah, I'll leave you guys with that, and hope you guys enjoy the next video. The next video I'm going to bring you is sorry for the weird reach. Got the decibel reader right here, and we're going to go ahead and do some different decibel readings. Cold start, idle, what else? Redlining the car, and not only that, 3 different exhaust systems like I had mentioned before, and yeah, put some numbers down for you guys so that way you guys that are considering exhaust systems know exactly what you're getting into. So yeah, that'll do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join me. And yeah, if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. I'll get back to it as soon as possible. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.